What's good, everybody? We're back with a trade recap today. We half passed an eval. That's pretty much the simplest. That's pretty much what this day's about. Um, we blew the eval that we already had half pass in Asia, so we have to half pass another one and then full pass it tomorrow. But this is what I took. It is really still early on in the market. Probably no real trades have been taken yet, I would imagine. But we took this rejection here. It was a correlation with ES over here was moving down, way down at the time. To be honest, I didn't even mark any key levels today. And I woke up late. But yeah, I didn't even mark anything for today. I just got on, kind of, and I mean, with evals, you don't really need much. Now this looks good for a long. But let's walk through and see what we got today. Well, I say that it looks good. It doesn't really, because we've got all these rejection wicks lined up right here. So until you get a closure above that, and we already swept the high. Unless price is desired, I don't know. Actually, it looks like we could go higher there. But the target draw has already been taken, and that's like a rejection off of it. We've already hit. So the next draw in mind is like way up here, and we're in a bearish market here. But on if you look at the 4-hour chart today, it doesn't look like we're going lower. I mean, look how many rejections we've put in here. It looks like with this closure, it looks like we will continue to rerun back to all-time highs this week for definite. But that setup there, probably not a terrible one. But I wouldn't take that just because of all these rejection blocks right here. We got all these rejection wicks. And see, like, that's kind of a confluence that you just kind of come up to with, come to, you see, like, you've seen it for long enough. You've seen an area. Doesn't have to be like a key level, which means you just find the area where price rejects. And see, this trade here wouldn't have played out. And you see this area is pretty much the rejection area. And so that's why I wouldn't have taken that trade. But let's see. Let's see what we got here. Why is price moving lower? Honestly, price might just be buns today. Yeah, it looks buns. Okay, we've rejected that many times. What do we got down here? We've got London and Asia down here. I don't know. Maybe we just continue lower, continue trickling back into these rejection areas lower. With that type of rejection, I would wait till a continuation. I mean, here doesn't look terrible with this move, kind of confirming we may go lower. Internal break even here. I don't know. I'm just kind of like this with an internal break even right here. Like that. That's something. It's not like the greatest like setup, but just looking at something. But by the way, guys, Alpha Futures is doing a 50% discount. So if you use the code at the bottom of the screen, it's not 10% like it says. It is 50% off on your account. So if you guys want to take advantage of a 50% discount, go ahead and use that code down there. It'll help you out. But anyway, that's going to be the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the recap, and I will see you guys on the markets tomorrow. So not much today, I'm sorry, and we kind of just rambled on about setups, but that's today.